How to remove password, pin, or pattern from Samsung phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll quickly show you guys how to easily turn off pattern, pin, or any other secure key from your Samsung device. So what you basically have to do here is go ahead and open up your settings menu. Once you open up your settings, you can scroll down and then find the security option. Tap on security and privacy, and then you'll have to go to screen lock. Go ahead and tap on screen lock. First, provide your current PIN, so I'll just enter that. And then from your screen lock and biometrics, all you have to do is select none at the bottom, and it's gonna go ahead and remove all of your data like your biometrics, fingerprints, and everything. And it's gonna remove those data as well, including your face data if you have added it, and fingerprints. I'll just leave it as it is for now, but you basically have to tap on none or just tap on swipe for now, and then it's going to remove data from here as well. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.